Holiday savings are in full swing at MLCS Woodworking now through Cyber Monday. Save 15% on purchases of $100 or more. That's massive savings on hundreds of items you can find all on our website. Save 15% on purchases like the new Pro See & Spray Paint Sprayer LED light with the Super Finish Max Extra HVLP sprayer. These two items together and you'll save 15% off when you use code THANKS. Or you can save 15% on the Ultimate Cast Iron Extension Powerlift Router Table System. Get the Blue Ice Router Bit Set with the Christmas Tree Acrylic Template and you'll get 15% off. Need router bits? Get the K Premium Door and Drawer Undercutter Set and you'll save 15% off with code THANKS. The possibilities are endless. Start your holiday shopping now. It's savings made easy. Spend $100 or more online at MLCSwoodworking.com or EagleAmerica.com. Enter promo code THANKS at checkout to get 15% off your entire order, November 24th through November 28th. This holiday, MLCS Woodworking has you covered to help make it a December to remember. Happy holidays!